Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the faucet from the sink attachment. This is a Glacier Bray kitchen faucet. You probably seen my other videos how to fix the leak and water pressure. So while fixing the water leak I had to remove the faucet, so it gave me a better idea how the whole attachment was done. So here you can see the pretty much how I removed it. Just turn off the water supply and the connection you have to the faucet. Basically there are the cold and the hot water supply. You need to turn it off, and using a wrench you can detach the pipes. The detaching the black pipe is a little bit tricky. I'll show you how to do that later in the video, but prior to that let me show you how to remove the faucet from the sink attachment itself. Underneath the sink you can see there is a golden color ring which we can use a wrench to loosen up. If it is too tight, try rotating the faucet itself. Once the ring is loosened up, you can take it out all the way, and then you can remove the faucet from the top. So this is the tricky part I was mentioning, how to detach the black pipe which goes all the way to the nose. You can see there is a white clip on the top, and you can see the arrow mark pointing to upwards. It took me a while to figure this out, how to detach this. I looked into some of the videos, but the part is different in different faucets. So I removed the clips itself in one of the videos showed, but it didn't help, and I thought the clip should be there for some purpose, and then after doing tricks it finally got worked, and then I learned how it was sitting. Basically you need to push it up to insert it to that copper pipe, and once it gets clicked, and it will sit on there. As you can see, there is also a clip on the top of the pipe where it gets inside to the other portion of the pipe. It gets locked, and it sits there. You need to make sure the white clip on the copper pipe is aligned to the clips on the bottom part of the white part. Otherwise, they don't sit together. It is easy to insert the pipe, the white part I was talking about, but detaching is very hard. So to detach it, you'll have to press the white clips where it marked, the arrows are marked. You need to push it up a little bit and just pull it down quickly. That's how you can remove it. I know it's not that easy, but giving a few tries, it will work out for you. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching my video.